Dubai is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. It is the best and biggest tourist place where thousands of people visits to enjoy their holidays. In this video, I'm gonna tell you 10 best places to visit in Dubai. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Towering at a height of 2700 feet, the Burj Khalifa is currently the tallest tower in the world. This 21st century architectural marvel must be your number 1 place to visit when in Dubai or even in the UAE. Number 2. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is located on the ground floor of the Dubai Mall. The Dubai Aquarium Underwater Zoo houses over 33,000 marine life, occupying the 10 million liters of water within the tank. Number 3. Global Village Dubai. Global Village Dubai is claimed to be the world's most significant tourism, leisure and entertainment project of UAE. It is the region's first cultural, entertainment, family and shopping destination. Every year the place receives over 5 million visitors over an area of 17 lakh 20,000 square feet. Number 4. The Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall, also known as the home of the Dubai Shopping Festival, is one of the world's largest shopping malls with an area of 5 lakh square meters. With more than 1200 stores, a large walk-through aquarium, a world-class ice rink, 14,000 parking spaces and more exciting experiences for shoppers. The mall was voted the best shopping experience in the world by Grazia magazine in 2010. Number 5. Aquaventure Water Park. One of the biggest water park of Dubai, Aquaventure is located in the Atlantis Hotel complex. This amazing water park offers a series of pools, shoots and flumes and a few thrilling rides. Number 6. Skydiving in Dubai. Dubai, being a favorite among the adrenaline junkies, is a well-known destination for people who love skydiving, as it provides a unique, one-of-a-kind experience as adventurers get to skydive with the beautiful Palm Jumeirah below them. Many consider this a highlight of the city, with many even claiming that no trip can be completed without this electrifying expedition. Number 7. Dubai Desert Safari. Dubai, mainly renowned for its great infrastructure, is also known for its adventurous streak. And so, to enjoy the desert a bit more effectively, the city presents various desert safari options. The experience is one of its kind and worth every penny spent. Visitors can experience desert camping with a delicious Arabian dinner, belly dancers, and other traditional performers. Number 8. Miracle Garden, Dubai. Miracle Garden is one of the most beautiful and biggest natural flower gardens in the world. Located in Dubai land, it is spread across a vast area of over 72,000 square meters. The garden is the world's largest natural flower garden, featuring over 45 million flowers and plants. The place is a heaven for those seeking nature's beauty in the city. Number 9. Jumeirah Beach. Stretched along the coast south of the city's historic Al Fahidi district, this sandy white strip of sand is among the top beach destinations for the visitors of Dubai. The cluster of high-end resorts and properties such as Burj Al Arab Hotel, Wild Wadi Park, Jumeirah Beach Hotel adds grace to the lively waterfront. For adventure buffs, there is the facility for various water sports like jet skiing and more. Number 10. Bollywood Parks. Bollywood Parks Dubai is the first theme park dedicated to the B-Town in the world. A part of Dubai Parks and Resorts, it is the perfect location to learn and experience what goes into making a Bollywood film and how the Indian movie industry works. Visitors can visit various remakes of famous Bollywood movie sets like Lagan, have a 4D movie experience to the movie Krish, the cinema circle for dance workshops and more. This place has perfect photo opportunities with the beautiful Indian decor, henna artists, vintage movie posters and colorful live performance. Dubai is a beautiful city in UAE. One must visit Dubai at least once in a lifetime. It is a great place for travelers, and every year thousands of visitors visit Dubai. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe my channel for more.